Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys app hide setting, how to use. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile app hide setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile app hide setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile how to hide apps one by one we will talk about. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, tap here search option, search your hide app setting. So when we will search your hide app setting, friends you can see hide no setting and hidden app setting. Friends, tap on hidden app setting. Friends, you want to hide app, so friends right click here. Example friends, I will hide my share me app. So share me app will hide, but friends you want to hide app with password. So how to hide app with password? First of all guys, you can hide app without password. Friends, you can see calculator app, share me app, prime video app and Netflix app and Moj app I will hide in my Redmi mobile. After hide app friends, you want to check your hidden apps, zoom on your screen, you can check your hidden apps. So friends, you want to use hide app with password. Friends, again open your phone setting, click here search option, hide hidden app setting, click here friends right side setting icon, tap here. Friends, click here app lock setting, select your password for your app lock setting and hide app setting, pin, pattern and password. Friends, I will use pattern and I will draw pattern. After draw pattern, remember your pattern. Okay friends, next option, click here. You have your mi account, so you can add your mi account, your Xiaomi account you can add. After add guys, if you forget your hide app password, app lock password, so you can unlock your hide app setting and you can unlock your app lock setting with mi account, your Xiaomi account. So friends, I don't have, so I will click here note now, and you have. So friends, click here sign in and add, and you can add your mi account and you can use it. So friends, I don't have, so I cannot add. After 5 seconds, click and note now option. Now friends, you can check if you hide app in your Redmi mobile. So friends, you can check. If you zoom on your screen, zoom here. You want to check hidden app, first of all you will have to enter password, then you can check your hidden apps. And if you want to use your hide app setting, tap here, you can use hide app setting. Like that friends, you can hide app with password in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.